Hello everyone, I'm Daniel with West LA Computer Expert, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to improve the speed and efficiency of your home network. With more and more devices connecting to our home networks, it's important to make sure that everything is running smoothly. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about why you might be experiencing slow or spotty Wi-Fi signals in your home. There are several factors that can affect your Wi-Fi signal strength, including the distance between your router and your devices, interference from other wireless devices, and even the construction materials used in your home. One solution to improve your Wi-Fi signal strength is to consider a mesh network. A mesh network is a system of multiple devices that work together to create a single, seamless Wi-Fi network. This can help eliminate dead zones and provide fast and consistent internet access in every room of your home. Another way to improve the speed and efficiency of your home network is to upgrade your router. If you're using an older router, it may not be able to handle the demands of multiple devices connecting at once. Upgrading to a newer router with more advanced technology can help improve your Wi-Fi performance. It's also important to make sure that your router is placed in an optimal location. Your router should be placed in a central location, away from walls and other obstructions. This will help ensure that the Wi-Fi signal can reach all areas of your home. Finally, don't forget about regular maintenance. Make sure to keep your router's firmware up to date and restart it regularly to keep it running smoothly. So there you have it, some tips on how to improve the speed and efficiency of your home network. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips from me, Daniel. Thanks for watching.